Woo, kia ora whānau, aroha mai, I'm sorry it's late, Ngāti Tūreiti here, but just a quick hello and thanks very much for your patience, your support and all the heads up. There's now currently just over a couple of hundred of you, about 230 that had shown interest in the three challenges, the right from the kupuhau to the whakatauki and the karakia, and now the we've had just about 100 now on this one. So I don't know who of you out there is doing it, but you're all on that list, and welcome. I'm glad to bring you the first sort of rollout of our PDF and iiBooks tonight. So I'll quickly just give you a quick heads up on it. I don't know, I'm getting a few questions coming through. As you know, it's just a one-man band, so here. Hey, look, the best thing you could do when you get the time, I know you probably want to look at these and look at other things, but when you get a chance, could you please go to two things. Go to Facebook and like our page. It's going to help me to help you and to help others. Yep, have a look through there, but I've found it easier to put all these things on YouTube. So also go over to YouTube, please, and like and subscribe to that page. Once again, it's going to help me. And click the bell on there, so every time I put a workout out for you over the next 10 weeks, you will get a reminder in the morning, and then you know, oh, there's the bell, and so the workout is up, a little 2-minute clip for you to do it anytime during the day or whenever you get around to it. Okay, so that's first of all. Second of all, whānau, when you get a chance, go and watch the 5-day pre-workout heads up, and in there it'll tell you about the books, the details, some tohuaringa, just some things to help you with the workouts. Otherwise, if you just go straight into the workouts, you might not know what's going on. That's the main thing in there. Hopefully I've laid everything out for you in order for you to do the next 10-week workouts. Hey, I think that's about it. I want to keep it short because I want you to get into your PDFs. The PDFs will elaborate on what I gave you during the week, and now you can write a little bit more in those notebooks. If there's space underneath, just keep writing, and you should have another page over the back. Fill it up, whānau. Fill it up with a karakia, fill it up with anything that's going to exercise and use those kupuhau and things that we're doing during the week. That's about it for the PDF, I think. Yep, it's pretty much in black and white. All the PDFs will have a bit of colour, but they're designed so when some people are downloading them and laminating them, especially in the karakia challenge, it's all nice and tidy and doesn't cost you too much, and you can just do it in black and white. The iiBooks. The iiBooks are a lot more colourful to look at, but they're not that clear to read because they're an interactive thing. I'm excited about the iiBooks. I think that's really going to help you now that you've got your iiBooks. You won't have to go to YouTube anymore, okay? So just follow your iiBook. And once you know the pattern and the system, follow the days of the week. Look at each workout, 2 minutes, one at a time. Don't jump the gun and go to the superset on Saturday, because like you'll undo all the work. Have a look during the week, then watch the Saturday one, and then have a muck around and fill your books out and have some fun. If you get a chance to come and join us on a Sunday evening, that would be awesome too, for the Kiimai Live. Once again, we'll do it on YouTube, and bring all your questions, bring all your goodness, and bring everything over there and come and share with me. I'm going to get out of here now. Got a few more things to do, but it's been a pleasure to bring this to you. I hope it's working out for you. Hopefully I can improve things as we go. That's enough, as we say, for a mellow puff. That's it for this week, week 1, and each week now I will send you the next page and you'll just grow on it, okay? So as they say, me he te, own it like a boss, learn that reo, whakarauora, revitalisation, re-energising yourself, your reo, and tihei mauri ora. Aroha nui whānau, harden up. Oh shit, I better go to the gym.